runing's a wrap. Cole and I just did the start today. Now we're downtown Ensenada doing tech and contingency. Race day tomorrow, baby. Let's do it.
12 de la noche en La Habana, Cuba.
11 de la noche en San Salvador, El Salvador.
Alright, so here we are, Baja 500 2023. Had a long day at Tech today. Went and shook the race car down. I think as a team we felt we're ready for this. Everything's good. We had a few little adjustments to make after shakedown, and we're ready for the morning.
There goes this area. Shakedown went marginal. Car's all good, luckily. But Keats and I put it into a little bit of a big ditch. About race mile 20, right before the Pepsi stand, and but luckily the boys got her all straightened out. She's good to go for tomorrow. Hopefully got all of our bad luck out of the way, and see that green flag about 10:30 tomorrow.
And actually it tastes pretty good.
Randy, I got an important question. Do we have any toilet paper in the truck?
No, we have park sensor.
Whoa! Well, race morning, about 6:45. Got a nice little sleep going. Pretty excited for today, not gonna lie. First Baja start for me, so Keith and I are just gonna take it easy and get her to mile 280 where RJ will just handle the rest.
Put it up, try to get it started on the top as much as you can.
Race morning, it's time to do the actual work. So we put in all the preparation, lots of hours at the shop, lots of changes to the car, and I feel really good about it. So obviously anything could happen. It's Baja, so you got to expect the unexpected. Anything from oncoming traffic to locals to booby traps to you name it, it happens out here. I'm confident in the boys, so if they get me the car in good shape, I think we got a good shot at this thing. So yeah, it's 500 miles Baja and we're ready. Like, you kind of just go by when you see some people in your class, like they're not fully ready for you when you get there.
Race morning, about to head out from the house. Ronnie and I are gonna go do the first 280 miles, and then RJ and Travis are gonna hop in. Done our homework, I think we're ready. We'll see. This one's another one. Baja, you never know what to expect, but we got a couple mistakes out of the way, and like I said, done the homework, so I'm excited for it. Yeah, the start's pretty easy. It's actually super cool because there's people lined up all on the walls of the course, and it's pretty crazy because they're trying to guide you down the wrong roads at some points. They're building up jumps last night when we ran it, so it's kind of a crazy nutshell, but it's a fun one. It's cool. I'm glad Ronnie gets to experience it, and it's always been it's always been a cool experience to get to go to the start.
The boys are just at their first section, which is like race mile 30-ish. All good. So it's a little dusty. We're gonna go through this and try to catch them at K77. So a bit of traffic on the road today. Lots of race fans out there cheering us on, I think. So see if we can catch them there. here in San Matias. They just finished their first fuel stop, so had a few things we had to work on the car. A little unexpected issue right off the beginning, but it's a long race and we're still right in it. So luckily they're already stabbing fuel there, so it was easy to switch off, and now he's headed up over the summit. We're gonna go catch him at 170 here and just for a vigil.
Barely bent right, tightens a little bit on exit. Man, that one-man pit crew is a little tough, but luckily before these guys were here, can't thank them enough. But had a shock come unclocked, so I don't know if it wasn't set or what, but unfortunate deal. They had to limp it in here, made up a ton of time, and we just lost some, but we got them out fairly fast, so they can just, a lot of racing to go, so it's not over. I do not have a GPS yet. Come again, Arch.
In 892 feet, option right.
You have a bad feeling?
No, does the car feel good?
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I believe
Right.
it's still weird compared to the first set of shocks, but it's way better than we were.
Copy, it blew the reservoir off the other one, so I should be, I'll fix the problem, but we were out of shock, so just do what you can.
Yeah, copy that. Are you trying to reach race car, 1837?
148 miles to target, ETA 6.7 hours.
We are at 210. We're going to stop you at BF Goodrich and put a splash of fuel in it, and you guys can cold rack. So we're going to see you here in a few minutes, so keep me updated on mile markers if possible.
Yep, we're about mile marker 197.
In 948 feet, straight.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Dude. It's just like keen.
Coming into Borrego here, it's an unplanned stop, but we're just going to be safe. We're battling right here for a podium, so there's no point in pushing it. So he's going to come and get a splash of fuel and go back out through some of the roughest stuff. So they've had some bad cards on their hand, but they're doing great so far. So I'm proud of them, and I get in here pretty soon.
You guys got a copy?
I got you when you get on the highway, guys. We're at 272.
So left rear shock is fully blown again, just like the right rear one was with RJ. We need to check out the axle, left rear axle, driver's side at rear axle. Need to look at it. It could be broke as well.
The pit
A little fast.
in Valley T on the right-hand side, like right before it.
Well, we just got word our race car's on the highway back there at mile 270. We're here at about 280, getting ready to put a full load of fuel, a fresh driver and fresh co-driver, and go see what we got to go win this thing at the end.
pretty good still.
Rear sway bar is broken, so just be careful, Brian.
I don't even know. It is rough as hell out there. And had a couple issues. And we made it to wherever we're at, 280. Good luck, RJ.
Well, I'm pretty sure I just went deaf all the way here to 280. We're about 6th place. I don't really know, had a couple issues. Cruised it for probably the last like 150 miles into here. Hopefully RJ's got a pretty decent car now. And we'll see him here at 440.
In 472 feet, end of speed zone.
Easy medium left. Easy right. Easy left.
One mile to waypoint.
Broken. No, swear to God.
You guys got a copy?
I copy on the RJ. What's up?
Oh, we're done. Just rip the right front off.